Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows on Lenovo all-in-one PC Idea Center 24 inches. Also this one we can call the Lenovo AIO 3 model also. This is the AIO 3 model Idea Center. So bootable drive, adapter, and you can see this is the processor Core i5 model Idea Center. 8GB RAM, 512GB, M.3 NVMe model. So going to install the OS. Let's start. Connecting the power adapter here. So these are the ports available this model. 2 HDMI, 1 in and 1 out, and 3 USB port, 1 Ethernet port RJ45. And here you can see USB-C also. I'm connecting the bootable drive, flash drive. Okay, I'm going to connect the keyboard. This is the keyboard. I'm using the wireless mouse for the meantime. This is the USB mouse, wireless, sorry. So let's start the unit. Here you can see this is a power button. I'm going to switch on. Let's see. It's going to boot. So this one is auto booting. I downloaded the new OS, so no need to change any secure boot. It's auto booting. It's detecting flash. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Windows is booting. So I did not press any BIOS key. It's direct booting. The version is 24H2 version. So choosing the language English. Next. Just next. And asking keyboard input method. Keyboard input method I'm choosing United States International. Here you can see. Select keyboard setting, okay. Next. And here Windows 11, accept, and next. Here asking the product key, I'm going to enter later, so I'm choosing I do not have now. So you need to choose what OS and what product key you have. I have a Windows 11 Pro product key. I'm just selecting Windows 11 Pro. And next, and accept all the terms and condition, accept, and just wait for some time. Here you can see the disk 0 is a 512GB NVMe. I'm selecting next. So going to start. So install. It's going to install Windows 11 Professional. So this process will take I think 20 minutes. The percentage is now only 10. It should be 100%. After that we need to set up the Windows. Here you can see installing Windows 22%. If you are having any doubt, please comment me. I reply on that one. 25%, 26%, 75%. It's done. Going to restart. 100% done. So system will reboot several times. Restarting. It will restart 2-3 times, so you need to wait. You can see here percentage going on. Keep your power on. so do not off your computer. Okay, yeah, after restarting you need to set up this Windows. Select the region, selecting, you just say yes, and it will ask you the what is the keyboard language. I am selecting United States International. Yes, and it will ask you any option, other keyboard option. So if you want to add keyboard language option, so you can add also. I'm not adding anything, I'm just going back and then skip. So here it will ask you to connect the Wi-Fi. I'm not going to connect internet. I do not have internet. It will ask you the device name. I'm just typing some device name, Lenovo. After that it will ask you the password. I'm not giving any password. Next. This is only initial setup. Things are getting ready. Okay, it might take few minutes. Just wait for some time. Almost there. So this is the first interface of this unit. Windows already installed and setup it is done, and you can say, so here now you need to connect internet and then update the drivers. So the sound already is there, so connect the Wi-Fi or Ethernet and update the related drivers. So here you need to right click and go to device manager, and here you can see these are the drivers you need to install. So for that one you need to connect the internet and update. See in device manager, these are the drivers you need to install. So I'm connecting internet. First of all, I'm going to remove the flash from back. Eject. I'm removing the flash drive. So going to connect the Wi-Fi. So there is no Wi-Fi driver. So now I need to connect the Ethernet. So I'm just going to connect the Ethernet cable for internet. RJ45 I'm using from router. So it's connecting. So now internet is connected. So here now I'm going to update the drivers. You can select update the drivers. So I don't have here any drive for drivers. I'm just searching automatically. Search update on Windows Update. I'm just clicking. So it will go to Windows Update. So once you finish all the updates, so the drivers will come automatic from online. Sorry, my camera is not good. The video clarity is very dull. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. It's searching for the updates. So this update might take sometime 30 minutes, sometime 40 minutes, sometime 20 minutes, depend on the internet connection. So it will come automatic. All the latest drivers will come from online. Here you can see all the drivers is downloading. So you need to wait still complete downloading process. Here you can see the red symbol. You need to do still, this one should be green color. So after that, ready to use. So now I'm going to enter the product key of Windows. So I need to activate Windows key now. I'm just going to activate Windows. Go to my computer, right click, properties, and you can see product key, and here you can change the product key. Click change the product key. Here you need to enter the product key. Product key is here, Windows Professional, Windows 11 Pro 64-bit product key. Yeah, here you can see Windows is activated. So I have entered the product key. So now let's see all updates done. So ready to use. See all the drivers installed, and have a look, the Windows update also done. See, it's a here green tick mark. So ready to use now. So there is no pending drivers updated. So ready to use. This is a complete Windows installation of this unit. Lenovo AIO 3 Idea Center, 24 inches. So if you are having any doubt, please message and comment. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel.